Hi teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to learn how to do some yarn art. So you'll need a 5x7 canvas. If you want to use a larger one you can, but that's the size I use. And it's just a regular paint canvas. You can get that at Walmart. And then you'll also need just regular school glue, scissors, a pencil, and then I used a chopstick because we had some, but you could use a popsicle stick or even a toothpick for that step. And then also the paint and the yarn. This particular yarn is a little more textured yarn. It's actually yarn designed to make those little scrub things for your dishes, but I liked the texture of it for like the ocean that I did with that. So the first step is going to be to draw the outline of what you're wanting to put paint on and to put the yarn on. So I did that first, and then you use the paint. Oh, and you'll need a paintbrush. Use the paint to paint your outline, and then you match your yarn as best you can to the color of your paints. So when you're doing the yarn, that's probably the hardest part, is gluing the yarn down. So I put a little bit of glue at a time, and then I used this chopstick, which I said you could use a popsicle stick or a toothpick even, to kind of spread that glue out and to attach the yarn as I went. And then I even overlapped it on the sides and the top to help it stay. This part where the yarn is a different texture was a bit more challenging, but I managed to get it to where it could stay as best I could. So that one you can see more of the paint through the yarn. And then the same technique. You just spread the glue out, put the yarn on there, pat it down, and I just did a zigzag as I was going with the yarn. So that is yarn art.